Hi friends, good evening. Today previous year question paper ESCSC ஓட next part தான் பார்க்க போறோம். Part 10. இந்த question paperல இதா last part. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். 91 poor skin turgor in neonates and infants indicate options பார்க்கலாம். A. Hypoglycemia, B. Hypocalcemia, C. Dehydration, D. Hypertonia. The answer is C. Dehydration. Dehydration நாலதான் poor skin turgor வருது. Dehydration எதனால வருதுன்னா excessive fluid loss, அதாவது vomiting and diarrhea. So answer C. 92. The term veracity in the context of nursing value refer to options பார்க்கலாம். A. Being fair and justice, B. Being answerable for one's action, C. Telling the truth, D. Being faithful to agreement. Veracity நாவே truth. So answer C. Telling the truth. 93. A group of related ideas or statement is called. A group of related ideas or statement is called theory, philosophy, conceptual framework, paradigm. The answer is C. Conceptual framework. It is the one of the analytical tool. Illustrate that expected relationship between your variable is called conceptual framework. Answer C. The meaning of remission is options பார்க்கலாம். A. The person is clinically cured. B. The severity of disease increases. C. The symptoms reappear. D. The disease is present but the person does not experience symptoms. Disease இருக்கும், person வந்துட்டு symptoms இருக்காது. So answer D. Remission na D. 95. The relative risk of disease can be obtained from options பார்க்கலாம். A. Experimental study, B. Case control study, C. Cohort study, D. Case study. A relative of disease can be obtained from. Answer C. Cohort study. இதெல்லாம் one of the epidemiological study. 96. Which of the following is an example unintentional tort? Unintentional tort ஓட example என்ன? A. Defamation, B. Assault, C. Negligence, D. Invasion of privacy. Answer C. Negligence. (97) Respiratory rate multiplied by tidal volume gives. Respiratory rate ல இருந்து tidal volume multiple பண்ணா என்ன வால்யூம் கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. A. Minute volume, B. Expiratory reserve volume, C. Total lung capacity, D. Maximum voluntary ventilation. The answer is A. Minute volume. எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும் minute volume. 98. A non-opioid analgesic of the following is. Options பார்க்கலாம். A. Butorphanol, B. Benzocaine, C. Naproxen, D. Buprenorphine. The answer is C. Naproxen. 99. Japan attacks US base Pearl Harbor in. Options பார்க்கலாம். A. 1940, B. 1939, C. 1941, D. 1943. The answer is C. 1941. 100. What is the capital of Manipur? எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும். A. Kohima, B. Dispur, C. Itanagar, D. Imphal. The answer is D. Imphal. Thank you for watching video. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.